There's one thing that gets under my skin, that's buzzwords. Buzzwords that promise everything. Buzzwords that deliver absolutely nothing. You know, our product is a game changer. It's revolutionary. It's next level. It's got out-of-the-box thinking, industry-leading, future-forward, professional-grade, whatever they're trying to sell to you, I have no idea. These words are just like the breakfast cereal and cartoons you consume as a kid. They're all hype and zero substance. They have no specifics about what the heck the product actually is. The product we're talking about today isn't in any way game-changing. It isn't out-of-the-box thinking, and it surely isn't going to take your business to the next level. In fact, it's a boring, standard run-of-the-mill sublimation blank, which could be best for you and your business. Great way to market and hype up a product for you. Check it out, this product sucks, this product's terrible, and you don't need it. But hear me out, because that's not really what I'm saying here. You know, the wheel doesn't always have to be redesigned, and if it isn't broken, why fix it? Hello and welcome. This is Conde Systems, and I'm Bo, a digital design enthusiast with over a decade of experience in the industry. In this video today, we're going to cover ColorLyte Glass Color Science Keepsake, or CSK specifically. We'll go over the who, the what, the when, the where, and the why ColorLyte Glass might be an option for you. And stick around, because I'll be doing a hands-on demo on how to work with and apply ColorLyte Glass. There'll be some pro tips in there and some stuff you don't want to miss. Sounds fun? Let's get into ColorLyte Glass. ColorLyte Glass is one of many exclusive brand collections offered at Conde.com. If you didn't know, Conde.com has an insane amount of sublimation blanks, from Sublaslate, Lumasteel, Sublilinen, Sublashrink, Mako Metal, Ironclad, Dye-Trans, and so many more. Head over to Conde.com and check them out. Now, if there's a sublimation blank and Conde.com doesn't have it, let them know at sales@Conde.com. Chances are they'll get it and stock it for you. To be clear, ColorLyte Glass isn't anything new. It's been a staple product at Conde Systems for a long time. What we're specifically talking about today is ColorLyte Glass powered by Color Science Keepsake, or CSK technology. Before we get to any of the cool stuff, there's a little sublimation backstory and how CSK technology works for you. Sublimation printing uses CMYK, being your cyan, your magenta, your yellow, and your black inks. This means you don't have a white ink, and white is not able to be printed. Instead, you rely on the blank product that you are imaging onto to be your white or light color to get your image to stand out. Yes, you can sublimate to any color, even black, the darkest, blackest of blacks you can think of. It's just you won't be able to see what you transfer there because of the dark colors. I always like to say it's best to think of it this way. Is your ink design transfer darker than the sublimation blank you're looking to apply to? If your answer is yes, your design will be seen. Sublimate on. ColorLyte Glass CSK starts with what you need. A solid white background that lets you build what you want from there. And sorry, I'm not going to say that your colors pop. No, because your colors won't just pop. Not even close. I respect the amount of time, energy, and effort you spent sculpting and crafting your art. So whether you're a painter, a drawer, a sketcher, a photo basher, a digital designer, the final print of your masterpiece deserves to showcase all of your hard work. So no, your colors won't just pop. As for you photographers out there, I know the cost of your equipment is no joke, and all those late nights of fine-tuning the balance between shadows and highlights, dehazing, color correction, removing chromatic aberration, masking, adding blur, and dialing in the right amount of gain for the nostalgic film look that you are looking for. You also deserve a medium to rock your stunning landscape, street photography, portrait, or whatever you love shooting. So no, I'm not going to say that your artwork will just pop. Your art, photography, whatever you created will showcase its rich contrast, high dynamic range of highlights and shadows. Gradients will flow and transition, creating depth, real depth. And your vibrant and saturated colors will never look so true. This all guarantees your finished product will be punchy, warm, and elegant, while still being reflective, radiant, and calm. ColorLyte Glass CSK is currently available in two shapes, square and rectangle, with 7 different sizes between them. Now for the squares out there, there's 8" by 8", 10" by 10", and 12" by 12". And coming in rectangularly at 5" by 7", 8" by 10", 11" by 14", and 8" by 12". All of these are great sizes, and since they're smaller in size, you don't need a large press, and you can also price them aggressively to sell at your next art show. People nowadays are looking for smaller, less expensive items. Think of a more impulse purchases, like just a little something to make them happy, a memento to remember their vacation, or a birthday or thinking of you gift. Also, a little side benefit of having ColorLyte Glass CSK at your booth is it'll create a visual anchor of curiosity to draw in that crowd. ColorLyte Glass CSK is also perfect in size and price for a mall kiosk. No, I'm not sure how healthy malls are these days. It seems malls either have tumbleweeds blowing through them or they are absolutely thriving. It's weird, it's like there's no in between. I want to know, how are your guys' local malls doing? Are they thriving or are they dying? But when I see a kiosk in a mall, the first product from Conde.com I always think about that's absolutely perfect for them is ColorLyte Glass CSK. Now at this point, I bet you're wondering, who is ColorLyte CSK Glass for? Now I want you not to think your art has to be stunning, vibrant, and high quality. ColorLyte Glass CSK also works with poor, bad, and low quality art too. ColorLyte Glass CSK is really for any sublimator out there. But what I think is it's really for the individual looking for something a little different for their artwork. Maybe Chromolux doesn't do your artwork justice, or it doesn't fit your brand. That's okay, because one of these is not better than the other. And if one was better than the other, well, I sure wouldn't tell you. But I know you'll let me know which one's better in the comments below. The key difference between the two mediums of glass and metal is how light interacts with it. With metal, light is going to bounce off the surface, while glass is going to let the light in and move through your artwork. Because light interacts with your art differently when using glass, you might perceive the dark areas to feel darker and deeper, highlights more pronounced, and color transitions are going to feel more layered. Some artists say that glass feels more like a finished piece and light is part of the experience. What do you guys think? Is glass for you? Does ColorLyte Glass sound like something you want? Now that we know that ColorLyte Glass CSK is a sublimation blank for artists and photographers, that you can purchase ColorLyte CSK at Conde.com, we know the shapes and sizes it comes in, and we also know that it's kind of a big deal. Let's get into the demo. Things and supplies you're going to need. You're going to need scissors, you're going to need premium heat tape, a sublimation printer with ink and paper, a heat press, butcher paper or craft paper, a computer, heat glove, and a sense of imagination and adventure. Let's go. Oh, and let's throw in a measuring device. I got this weight loss measuring tape thing free in the mail, so that's what I'm going to use. But it's always good practice to measure your blank before you design. Sometimes on the website, the product is rounded up to the nearest whole measurement, which can in the end screw up what you're trying to do. Now, for this one, I found the blank to be close enough to go with the measurement of 11 by 14. Oh, and in case you didn't know, because I didn't tell you, I'm using the 11" by 14" size of ColorLyte CSK. Now on to Photoshop. You can use a template found on Conde.com, but I find it easiest for a product like this to just create my own. Now when setting up the artboard, just make sure it has the product or measured size. Now we also want to make sure we include a bleed zone. I'm going with 0.15, though I did find it kind of tight when trying to attach the transfer. That means our artboard size will be 14.15 by 11.15. Now that we have our artboard set up, we just drag and drop in our photo. I'm going to go with this picture here that I took in Pensacola last year. Then we just resize it to fit the size we need. I've been in a little bit of a black and white phase, but I feel like ColorLyte needs to have some color in there. So for that, we're going to go to Filter, Neural Filter, and Colorize. I went with the retro high contrast, but the choice is yours. When you're done with that, then just go ahead and click OK. Now your picture has color. It's alive. To create more depth, I quickly masked out the subject and the ledge and lightened up the background. You can do this all the way through all the layers, creating a lot of visual depth, but for the sake of simplicity, I just did the first layer. This photo feels like it needs more of a vintage, summer, Instagram filter vibe flair to it, so I created some quick, custom light leaks and bokeh layers. Besides that, I removed something in the corner just to tighten the photo up a bit. And that's it. Just go ahead and export it as a PNG. As far as printers are concerned, I'm using the Epson F570 sublimation printer. So we'll just hop over to Epson Edge Print Pro. Once there, you just drag and drop your PNG into the left column. Once your image is uploaded in the left column, click on it and it should appear to the right column, which is the output area. That's essentially your roll of paper. I like to move it slightly off the edges, but I don't know if it does anything, it just gives me a peace of mind. Now let's move over to the right side toolbar. We're going to click on the basic settings. We're going to choose from the media name dropdown, Thick Rigid. The difference between the two, fabric and thick rigid, is that fabric lays down more ink than rigid. Now, the oversaturating of that is going to help hide the ink and saturate into the fabric. We don't need any of that. Now on to the most important instruction. If you take one thing from this video, it's this instruction. Under layout, make sure the mirror image box is unchecked. I repeat, do not mirror your image. Let me know how many of you have forgotten to do this when working with a product like CSK. Cool, everything's set up and we can now press print. Now to prepare the transfer, make sure your blank is clean of any debris. I forgot to record this and did this off camera, sorry. If you need to, trim down your print, leaving a little margin on all sides. Now you'll notice that CSK has a glossy side and a matte side. They're very easy to tell the difference. You want the glossy side up and the matte side towards your print. Next, you're going to use some premium heat tape. I like to tape one corner on one side and the opposite corner on the other side. That lets me use the peekaboo technique after I press to see if my transfer needs more time. I like to pat and wipe things too. I don't know if it does anything. Now on to the DK20S. It's got a 16 by 20 inch platen, which is more than enough space for your blank. You're going to want to get those 2 sheets of butcher paper handy because you're going to lay down the first one down on your lower platen. Next comes your transfer. You want the blank with the printed transfer on top towards the heat platen. Then you add the second piece of butcher paper and you're ready to press. The time, temperature, and pressure, aka pressure settings, are listed on Conde.com. I'm sorry, but because sometimes products have different instructions and instructions change over time, videos are forever, it's best just not to include them. They're listed at Conde.com. Once the pressing is done, we do a quick peekaboo, and it looks like everything was a success. So we'll go ahead and remove the transfer, revealing the masterpiece. Oh, and I should have said this sooner, that sucker's gonna be hot, so make sure and wear heat gloves. And look at that! Let's get to some sexy B-roll of that thing. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know which one's my favorite. Both the black and white and full color versions look absolutely perfect to me. But what do I know? I mean, they both are my masterpieces. It's like choosing a favorite kid, or in my case, a favorite cat. That's impossible. But what I think we can all agree on is they are both special and shine in their own ways. There really is no right or wrong when it comes to sublimation. That's what's so awesome about it. I want you to experiment like it's college. Have fun, be weird, be safe, or be as reckless as you want, because in the end, it's your world. ColorLyte Glass is all about starting your world out with a white background. Absolutely what you need, or something like that. Either way, your finished products are going to be exactly what you dreamed of them to be. They're going to be perfect. As we conclude this video, I want to stress that no buzzwords, absolutely no buzzwords, were harmed in the making of this video. If you or a loved one would like to know more about sublimation, digital decoration, or the product featured in this video, ColorLyte Glass CSK, reach out to Conde Systems at sales@conde.com or give them a call at 1-800-826-6332. Until next time, you know right where to find me, the last place you looked. Unless you're one of those weirdos and keeps looking after you find what you're looking for, never understood them. Either way, this is Conde Systems, I'm Bo, keep making me proud out there and stay fresh, y'all.